and welcome to my channel Inspired Birdie. So today we're going to jump into some Easter Dollar Tree DIYs or decorate with me, whatever you want to call them. And we're going to start off with a really simple floral decor item, something that you'd probably see in like a Winners or something like that, but we're going to go ahead and make it ourselves. So I featured these really cute gift bags, boxes. They're boxes, but they're used as, I guess, gift bags from the Dollar Tree. These are the Happy Easter. I'm going to be using primarily the side that isn't glittery, but the other side does glitter. So depending on how you want to display your box. And we're just going to make a really pretty floral arrangement. I love the sides, all this really pretty pattern. It's the same on both sides. You got really beautiful ribbon. That's one gift box. The other one is also really beautiful. This is actually my favorite, is the Happy Easter Egg Hunt. Super pretty, really simple. Again, beautiful ribbon. And these were from the Dollar Tree. So we're gonna go ahead and use those for our floral arrangement. And then for our actual flowers, this is what I'm gonna be using today, all from the Dollar Tree. Very pretty. Some of these I've never seen at the Dollar Tree before, so I think that they're new. At least at my Dollar Tree they're new. I only really have one Dollar Tree that I go to. Thought that these were super pretty. These are just called roses. That's what they're labeled, roses. You get quite a bit in one bunch. I also have it in this really pretty purplish pink color. Look how beautiful that is. And then I also have these really pretty ones too. These are labeled as spikes. How pretty that is. Absolutely love them. I'm always very particular with Dollar Tree floral because sometimes it could really look fake and look cheap, but these I do find particularly look really beautiful. And I got 4 of these ones. And that's all I'm going to be using today. So we're going to go ahead and just make our own pretty floral arrangement. And then, oh, of course, we need some floral foam. I prefer this type of foam. I tend to always use the block. It just fits really easily into different types of containers that I'm using. So this is just the block that you get from the Dollar Tree, but they do have lots of different options as well to choose from. And that's it for this one. So why don't we jump in and just get started. All right, everybody, so there you have these 2 floral arrangements. You'll have to let me know what you think and which one is your favorite. So just to recap what you might have seen me do, this one over here is just a standard floral arrangement. I think it looks beautiful. I love these flowers so much. Absolutely love them. Love the little baskets. And then this one, I went a little different because I did run out of some floral arrangements. I did feel like it was lacking some of the fullness that this one over here has. So I got a little bit creative and used some burlap. Now this burlap is from my Dollarama, not the Dollar Tree, but you can find burlap at the Dollar Tree as well in their floral section. And I love how burlap looks. I always add it to different arrangements and crafts that I'm doing because I do love how it looks. I love the fullness that it gives it. I think it looks so adorable. So here's a quick up close of each. And here's the other one. And here they are together. So you'll have to let me know, leave a comment below, let me know of these 2 floral boxes, which is your favorite. You can, and you know, forget the box because I know the box can make a big difference as well depending on your style. I'm just curious which one you prefer, with or without the burlap. I'm definitely going to use both of these in my decor in my home. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that quick floral arrangement DIY. So simple to do, under $5. This is something that you would at Marshall's, Winners, definitely pay at least $15, $20, at least at mine, you would pay a good amount for. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. My first DIY back, had a lot of fun sharing that with you, and I look forward to doing some more. All right, love and peace to you all. Bye.